Good morning, students. Today we are going to do subject English, chapter number 2. We are going to do a last topic, which is the kite. It is a poem written by Harry Bain. In this, do you know, the students, what is a kite? As we know that in Uttarayan we fly a kite. uh, Different types of colors are available in that, and today we are going to learn about that. Now let us read it. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. When the kite is new, how bright it looks in the sky. With a dare and a dip, it snaps its tail. It goes up and down. The tail, which makes a snaps noise like cracking sound in the sky. The tail, the kite has a tail which makes a cracking noise when it is in the sky. It goes up and down and it comes two down. It comes so much down that we always put it up. Then soars like a ship with only a snail. It says that like a ship, when the waves are in the ocean, the ship goes up forward and it comes down, it comes up and down. Like that, the kite also goes up and down. If the air is there, then it goes up high at the top of the sky, and when the air is not there, then it comes down in the ground, down at the ground. As over tides of a wind, its ride climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Seems to rest as the wind falls. Here the poem says that when the strong wind comes, the kite goes at the top of the sky, and it ride as it flows. It has a soft movement in the sky, and when the air when the wind stops, then it says that the kite and can't reach at the top and it falls down in the ground. And the poet says that the wind is at the rest. When string goes slacks, your wind it back and run until a new breeze blow. The poet says that the strings, the thread which we tie in the kite, which it cannot raise at the top of the sky, because the new breezy blow means the new wind do not blow on the sky, in the sky, by which the kite cannot go up. And strings and its wings fill and up it goes. When the wind blows, then it goes up in the sky. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. The poet says that how it looks bright, how it looks nice, then when the sky is full of different types of color of the kites. You also seen in the festival of Uttarayan that many types of kite you see around you, but the redder things you never will see when it flaps on a string it in the top of a tree. Here the poet says that when a tree is there and your kite, if it got stuck in the tree, then you feel sad and you will think that I should not try for another. So this is the poem, what the poet says about the kite. Now we will write down the exercise. Here we have I have written the list. The question number 1: list out the action words in the poem. Number 1 is drive. deep, snaps, climbs, blows, soars, rides, and falls. What are the meanings of it? The climb means to go up, blow means to blow anything, soar means to fly, and rides means to sit at the behind of something and control the movement, and falls means fallen down. Question number 2. Read these lines from the poems. Then soars like a ship with only a snail. The movement of the stallness kite is compared to a ship with a snail. This is called a simple smile. Can you suggest what or how the following actions may be compared to? He runs like, we can say, the wind. The wind also is just whenever the wind is strong, you can say it runs like he runs like the wind. He eats like a pig. She sings like a nightingale. It shines like a star. It flies like a bird. Like that, you have to write down this in your textbook.